Hello everyone, this is Pam from JIACO Instruments. JIACO Instruments has developed a novel method for decapsulation of semiconductor devices without causing process-induced damage to the device themselves. In this video, I would like to talk about the challenges to analyze microbumps in advanced 2.5D packages and our solutions. In this image, you can see a cross-section of a typical 2.5D package. The top ASIC and HBM dies are connected to an interposer die via copper microbumps. The microbumps are encapsulated in underfill material. Let's say you are suspecting there is a failure somewhere on one of the bumps. Because it's a 3D structure, the microbumps are not easy to access. The conventional method is to do mechanical polishing of focused ion beam to get a cross-sectional view. The limitation of cross-sectioning is it only offers a 2D representation on the cross-section plane. Based on 2D results, you need to kinda guess what's happening in a 3D space. A 3D exposure on the microbump would greatly help the analysis. However, such technique was not available. In this paper from GlobalFoundries, they explored using MIP to find a different approach for 3D exposure of the microbumps. Often, the microbumps that connect the top die and the interposer die is covered in underfill. To remove the underfill and expose the copper bumps, acid etching is one of the approaches. However, acid can introduce unwanted corrosion damage to the bumps and the pads. Another approach was to use a conventional plasma with CF4 gas. In this image, you can see fluorine in the plasma has etched the silicon and dielectrics of the die as well, which of course is not preferred in failure analysis. That is why GlobalFoundries started to explore more options, such as a CF4-free MIP microwave-induced plasma. The MIP process is as follows. First, you prepare the sample by mechanical polishing to get close to the bumps of interest. You see the top chip, the interposer die, and vaguely the copper bump and solder joint encapsulated in the underfill. Then you use MIP to scan along the narrow gap between top chip and interposer die to remove the underfill in between, to expose the microbump. This is an oxygen-only process, and these are the MIP results. As you can see, the MIP can expose up to 2 tiers of microbumps without introducing artifacts, while preserving the original defects. This enables a user to do 3D analysis of the exposed bumps before moving to a cross-sectional analysis, which is greatly beneficial for failure analysis. So, that was a short introduction about using the MIP in a 2.5D device microbump analysis. Thank you for watching, and in case you have any questions or want to know more, you can visit our website, or simply give me a call via the number on the screen. In our next video, I will dive deeper into electrical overstress, so make sure you follow our page and you won't miss any of our interesting topics.